Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to replace the mass airflow sensor. What you're going to do is push down on the connector right here, pull it out just like that. Then we'll take a Phillips head screwdriver. Sometimes these screws might be kind of tight. Loosen that one up, then I'll loosen this one up. Unscrew these screws, make sure you don't drop them. Once those are out, you can grab the mass airflow sensor, pull it straight up. There's the mass airflow sensor. We're going to reinstall. Just take it, line it up, push it down. Install this screw here. We'll install this screw right here. We'll snug those down. And reconnect the connector. Lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.